The Japanese yen experienced elevated volatility following a currency intervention by the Bank of Japan, which drove USDJPY lower toward the 159.00 handle before dip buying restored equilibrium. Market focus now shifts to upcoming U.S. economic indicators, specifically the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index and U.S. inflation expectations. Stronger than expected data could bolster U.S. dollar demand and weigh on risk appetite into the month-end close. Would you like to read more market analysis about USDJPY, trading, and tips? In earlier trade, price action tested resistance at 163.68 while the MACD indicator indicated overextended conditions, capping further upside and initiating a corrective decline in the US dollar. For the ongoing session, intraday technical strategies focus on key pivot levels at 159.87 and 160.24. Bullish trade scenarios capture price channel breakouts with a price channel expert advisor. Explore now. A long position is signaled if USDJPY reaches the 160.24 resistance level, with a primary upside target at 161.03. Traders should consider exiting long positions around 161.03 and looking for a potential counter-trend short move targeting a 3,035-point decline. Long entries require confirmation from the MACD indicator being above the zero line and turning upward. An alternative buying opportunity occurs if the pair completes two consecutive tests of the 159.87 support level while the MACD is in oversold territory. This setup suggests downside exhaustion and a potential bullish reversal back toward 160.24 and 161.03. Bearish trade scenarios: a short position is initiated upon a sustained breakdown below 159.87, opening the door for an accelerated drop toward 159.03. Around the 159.03 support zone, short positions should be closed in anticipation of a 2025-point corrective rebound. Confirmation for short entries requires the MACD indicator to be below the zero line and trending lower. The ongoing risk of additional central bank intervention remains a key catalyst for renewed selling pressure. Alternatively, a short entry is valid if USDJPY undergoes two consecutive tests of 160.24, while the MACD indicator is in overbought territory. Failure to break above this level indicates capping of bullish momentum and favors a decline back toward 159.87 and 159.03. Thank you for reading. Level up your trading with proven robot FX expert advisors. Check them out now.